Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to change Snapchat profile picture. If you're using Snapchat and now you want to change your profile picture, so let's see how can you do this. You just have to open your Snapchat app and here you have to go to profile in the left top corner, tap on it and then go to settings. In settings, you just have to select Bitmoji and here just select edit my Bitmoji. Here you can easily edit or change your Bitmoji as which you want. You can change your hairstyle and face, message. But if you want to add your photo, you just have to tap on start to update your Bitmoji and here you have to take a picture of yourself. In this way, you can easily change your Snapchat profile picture. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until the next video, bye bye.